In this video, I'll show you how to copy a template or theme from one HubSpot account to another so you can reuse your designs easily. In order to do that, first open your design tools. You can head right here into your content and then locate right here your design manager. If you can't find it, you can also click on the search option and proceed to search right here for Design Manager. It should be found under the app, so click on this. Once you have it ready, right-click on a template or theme and select Download. So if you have right here your theme, you can head over and then download it. Alternatively, if you have these files, you can head over and click on those files. And once you have clicked on them, you should be able to download those files right here. You can clone them right there if you want. You can also click onto this and open the tabs that you want associated. Click on Action, you can show the file information, and for the file itself, you can head over and upload files or add some more. Now, once you have downloaded the theme, you can just log into your destination HubSpot account. And for this case, click on File, then Upload File in order to add the file that we have just downloaded and import it directly into another account. That's it for copying templates or themes between HubSpot accounts. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more quick HubSpot tutorials.